है ये प्रभु मिलने की। मस्त पवन है, महका चमन है। मस्त पवन है, महका चमन है। बेला है मंगल मिलने की। मन पंछी तू उड़ जा वतन में। रुत है ये प्रभु मिलने की। बादल की छाँव से, तारों के गाँव से पार चला जा। जग की हवाओं से पार चला जा। जग की हवाओं से छोड़ के पीछे नील गगन को। ये घड़ी है प्रभु मिलने की। मन पंछी भूल के सारे जग का आकर्षण, तोड़ के छूटे देह का बंधन। तोड़ के छूटे देह का बंधन। उड़ जा प्रेम के पंख लगा कर। दिल में लगन अब मिलने की। मन पंछी सुख में आओ हम खो जाएं। परम पिता से आनंद पाएं। परम पिता से आनंद पाएं। प्रभु मिलन के परम सुखों से कलियां खिलती है तन मन की। मन पंछी तू उड़ जा वतन में। रुत है ये प्रभु मिलने की। मस्त पवन है, महका चमन है। मस्त पवन है, महका चमन है। बेला है मंगल मिलने की। मन पंछी तू उड़ जा वतन में। रुत है ये प्रभु
taking everyone's love remembrances. When I went to offer bhog to Baba, and these days we are especially offering bhog also to Dadi Gulzar. So when I was offering bhog, after a few moments, Baba also emerged, Dadi Gulzar there. And Dadi Gulzar was very cheerful, was smiling. Baba was giving us drishti, but Dadi was also giving very, very loving drishti. Then Baba accepted bhog and also offered bhog to Dadi Gulzar. Then Baba said that Baba he's looking at Dadi Gulzar, but talking to us that children are making lot of efforts. So Dadi said, yes, Baba, yes, they are making lot of efforts. But then Baba wants to know from children if there is contentment with your own effort. So Baba is looking at me. I said, Baba, of course we all have contentment because like we all are making sincere efforts and enough efforts. So Baba is asking me about contentment. Then I said, Baba, when I come to offer bhog or when I am with you in subtle regions, what I experience here and my state is not necessarily the same when I am in the corporeal world. So Baba was smiling and Baba said, I said, that's what I would want, that my stage remains the way I am now. So Baba was looking at me and Baba said, yes, it will happen. You will have that stage when you will feel you are with Baba and also you are in subtle regions, not in the physical. And Baba said, it's a very simple but very subtle secret. And Baba will help you all, and with the blessings of Baba. Baba said, because within each one of you, being incorporeal, then angelic, and then karma yogi. So Baba says you are good at all three, all of you. Very good into incorporeal stage as a soul, then angelic stage, and also when you are karma yogi. But still they all three are separate. So when you come to me in subtle regions, because all three are merged together, you are in your subtle stage with incorporeal and also with the body. Only what you're not doing is actions. So Baba says, think about that and churn on it. And during day, maybe few minutes, or in the morning at Amrit Vela, practice that all three stages are integrated. So I said, Amrit Vela, we don't do actions. Baba said, that is why during day. So Baba said, if you think of Brahma Baba, how he was able to integrate all three while being Karma Yogi. And then Baba said, when you all are able to do that, so even Baba is saying it's secret, but Baba says you all have to practice it. And then more and more deeper experience, more consistent efforts, more consistent stage will be where there will be very, very deep feeling of contentment, joy, lightness, contentment, joy, and lightness, when all three are very integrated. So on one side, I felt like, as the Baba said, what has to be done, but still I will have to do it, right? So if we can just see how we can make maybe 10 minutes twice a day or whatever way, and sit with this thought of integrating all three. So I would say then when there is attainment, there is, you feel it, experience it, then you all would want to do it more often, which is very important. So after that, Baba looked at Dadi Gulzar. She was smiling because what Baba said was definitely very significant. So Baba said, she said that, yes, Baba, that's what they need to pay attention. So Baba is asking Dadi Gulzar how you managed, how you did efforts. And Dadi Gulzar said, for me, because I had to always remain ever ready. One is, of course, invoking you to come. Second is that I have to be your image. I have to give the vision of you through my eyes or my face. And so because of that, it was easy for me. So Baba said, but these children can also think that way, that anyone who looks at me should experience Baba. Because why they come in front of any one of us is to experience Baba, to experience God. So service is through words, service is through actions, but now service is through your image. You all have to create that image. And then Baba said, service will be very, very fast. And this way, Dadi Gulzar was smiling as she always does to make us sure that, yes, one day we will be able to do it. She smiled, and then Baba also gave lots of love remembrances with deep feeling of Baba's bhavna that children will be able to do it and have this consistent integrated stage where there is no gap between incorporeal, angelic, and the karma yogi stage. So Baba gave love remembrances for all of you, for all of us. आज बाबा ने बाबा को भोग स्वीकार कराया, तो बाबा ने कहा पुरुषार्थ तो सभी बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो बाबा ये प्रश्न पूछते हैं कि सभी संतुष्ट हो। तो बाबा सभी ने हाँ पुरुषार्थ तुम अच्छा कर रहे हैं। तो फिर मेरे से पूछा, मैंने कहा जैसी स्थिति इस समय पर है वतन में, अगर ऐसी स्थिति रहे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था आज तो बाबा ने कहा वो हो सकती है, निराकारी, सूक्ष्म और कर्मयोगी। अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा गैप है, निराकारी में होते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है, फिर सूक्ष्म में होते हैं परिश्तेपन में, वो भी बहुत अच्छा होता है, और कर्मयोगी भी बहुत प्रेम से यज्ञ सेवा करते हैं। लेकिन अगर तीनों स्थितियां ऐसी साथ रहेंगी तो आप लोगों को अपनी स्थिति से बहुत न केवल संतुष्टि होगी, पर ऐसा महसूस होगा कि अभी हम संपन्न बन रहे हैं। फिर बाबा ने यही कहा कि अगर दादी गुलजार से पूछा कि आपने कैसे ये स्थिति बनाई? तो कहा बाबा मेरे को तो हमेशा ये ध्यान रहता है कि आप कभी भी मेरे द्वारा अ, किसी को भी अनुभव करा सकते हैं, तो मुझे अटेंशन रहती है। और बाबा ने ये भी कहा कि मैं हमेशा यही ध्यान रखती हूँ कि जो मेरे से मिलने आता है, वो बाबा से ही दृष्टि लेने आता है। तो और बच्चे हैं सभी, तो बाबा ने कहा उनको क्या करना है? तो बाबा ने कहा आप सबको भी क्या करना है? सदा ये याद रखो कि आपकी दृष्टि से सबको बाबा का स्नेह और बाबा का ही अनुभव हो, ऐसी मूर्ति बनने का सबको ध्यान रखना है। ओम शांति।